Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this video I will show you which fuses you can try checking in case you are having problems with the instrument cluster. So in case there is no backlighting or the display doesn't work or things like that, there is a couple of fuses which are responsible for that, and I will show you their location. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Fuse box on Dodge Grand Caravan is located under the front hood next to the battery right here. To open it up, you'll have two clips, one here and one here, so you want to press onto both of those to unlock it, and then just leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will have also a small fuse diagram. Okay, the first fuse you want to check for the instrument cluster issues is fuse number M13, which is a 20 amp fuse located just here in between. So this is your first fuse. Second fuse worth checking is fuse number M15, which is also a 20 amp fuse located here. And the last fuse to check would be the fuse number M20, which is a 15 amp fuse located just here on the left side, and this is the fuse for the instrument cluster backlights. So this is the one you want to check. So those three fuses are responsible for the instrument cluster. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.